Spending quality time with grandkids is one of the greatest joys for grandparents in the U.S. One of the best ways to bond is through DIY do-it-yourself projects, which encourage creativity, learning, and teamwork. Whether it's arts and crafts, building projects, or homemade gifts, here are some fun DIY ideas that grandparents and grandchildren can enjoy together. 1. Arts and crafts DIY projects. For creative families, arts and crafts are a fun and easy way to spend time together while making something special. Handmade greeting cards. Create birthday, holiday, or just because cards with stickers, paints, and glitter. Personalize them with handprints, drawings, or heartfelt messages. Painting and rock art. Use acrylic paints to decorate small canvases or smooth river rocks. Paint animals, inspirational quotes, or fun designs. DIY picture frames. Decorate wooden frames with stickers, buttons, and beads. Add a special photo of grandkids and grandparents together. Homemade Play-Doh or slime. Make non-toxic Play-Doh using flour, salt, and food coloring. Create stretchy slime with glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution. Tip: these projects help kids develop creativity and motor skills while having fun. 2. Building and woodworking DIY projects. For hands-on grandparents, small building projects can be a great way to teach problem-solving and patience. Birdhouses and bird feeders. Build a simple wooden birdhouse with nails, glue, and paint. Hang it in the backyard and watch birds visit together. DIY toolboxes or treasure boxes. Assemble a small wooden box for kids to store toys or secret treasures. Let them paint and personalize it with their names. Mini planters and garden markers. Build tiny wooden planters for herbs or flowers. Use stones or popsicle sticks to create garden markers. Tip: these DIY activities teach kids basic woodworking skills in a safe and supervised way. 3. DIY sewing and knitting projects. Grandparents who love sewing or knitting can pass down their skills through fun projects. DIY hand-sewn stuffed animals. Cut out fabric shapes, sew them together, and stuff them with cotton. Decorate with buttons, ribbons, and embroidery. Personalize tote bags. Sew a simple canvas bag and let kids decorate it with fabric. Paint or iron-on patches. DIY friendship bracelets and bead jewelry. Use colorful threads or beads to make bracelets, necklaces, or keychains. A perfect gift-making activity for kids. Tip: sewing and knitting help kids improve hand-eye coordination and patience. 4. DIY gifts and holiday crafts. Making DIY gifts together is a meaningful way to create memories and personalized keepsakes. Homemade candles. Melt wax, add fragrance oils, and pour into small glass jars. Let kids choose their favorite scents and colors. DIY Christmas ornaments. Use clay, popsicle sticks, or felt to create unique holiday decorations. A great activity for family traditions. Memory scrapbooks. Collect family photos, travel souvenirs, and handwritten notes in a scrapbook. Decorate with stickers, ribbons, and drawings. Tip: handmade gifts are great for birthdays, Mother's Day, and holidays. 5. DIY cooking and baking together. Cooking is a fun and delicious DIY activity that teaches kids important life skills. Decorating cookies and cupcakes. Bake cookies or cupcakes and let kids decorate with icing and sprinkles. Use different shapes and colors for fun themes. DIY pizzas. Make mini personal pizzas and let kids add their favorite toppings. Bake and enjoy a homemade pizza night. Homemade ice cream in a bag. Mix milk, sugar, and vanilla in a sealed plastic bag. Then shake with ice and salt. A quick and fun way to make ice cream at home. Tip: cooking together teaches kids math, measuring ingredients, and teamwork. Final thoughts: fun, creativity, and family bonding. DIY projects are more than just activities. They are memories in the making. Whether you love crafting, building, sewing, or cooking, these fun projects bring grandparents and grandkids closer together. Which DIY project would you love to try with your grandkids? Do you have a favorite crafting memory? Share it in the comments. Like and share this video to inspire more families to enjoy DIY projects together. Subscribe for more family-friendly activities and creative ideas. Creativity has no age limit. Let's make something amazing together.